So you want to install a chisel mortising attachment on your Nova Viking drill press, but you can't, because we have a micro-switched guard that needs to be in place for the machine to operate. Well, there is a way to temporarily disengage that safety system.
First thing we need to do is completely remove the guard. So we disengage the cable, and then remove the guard with the Allen key. Now we need to disengage the safety system. To do so, we press self-start, press off, then release self-start. This initiates the factory reset, which we can confirm by the display on the screen. Now that will reset to Imperial Display because that is the factory default. Pressing and holding display will change this back to our preferred metric, but the machine will now operate without any guarding in place. From there, we would simply install our chisel mortise attachment as per the instructions that came with your accessory. Once you've finished using your mortise attachment, should you wish to reinstate your safety system, simply remove the accessory, reinstall your guard, connect the cable ensuring that the pins are aligned, close the guard so it is in the active engaged position, turn the machine off, then on again, and the machine will automatically load its safety software. So the micro switch guard is active again. Simple.